During the press conference held on Thursday, CLP leader Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh had given the party's views on the recent reports submitted by the regional committees of the state, where two of the Congress MLAs had been part of these two particular committees.
It is a very tense moment for all of us because we have sat with our members who are members of these committee, and we have been given the assurance that the correct picture has been portrayed in their respective reports. We know that in West Khasi Hills and Ribhoi district, in the first phase, there is a strong probability that 9 out of 10 will be given to the state of Meghalaya, as per the reports prepared by the committee. Unfortunately, we are not permitted to divulge any of this information, but as a party, because our members are members of the regional committee, we thought it fit to tell you today that we are confident that 9 out of 10 we will retain all of these villages in the state of Meghalaya, because that was the report that was gathered from these locations. We have interacted with members and citizens of those villages. Our MLAs, our MDCs have taken very keen interest to ensure that what is projected in this report should not be going against the state of Meghalaya. We are confident that at least in the first phase, we will and we should get all of those villages as per indicated by the regional committees. In the second phase, however, we have to again request the government to continue working with members of the regional committee. We still have Langpi, which is left pending for phase 2. Now that is going to be a very sensitive situation with the state of Meghalaya. Unfortunately, we did not have anyone in the Jaintia Hills Regional Committee from the Congress Party. We are blank on information about that. But going from what our members have shared with us, we are confident that all of these locations should be retained within the boundaries of the state of Meghalaya.
While speaking about the status of the Congress Party in Meghalaya, Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh said that even though several policies brought forth by the Indian National Congress in the state have been hijacked, and despite having a fragmented mandate of the public, yet the party is all set to do its best to return to power in 2023, while also keeping in mind the various important issues concerning the people of the state.
We know that several of the policies that were brought forward for the people of the state of Meghalaya by the Indian National Congress have been hijacked. We have seen how farmers are suffering. We will create spaces. We will create good opportunities for all these sectors that have been ignored or that have been left behind in the last 5 years. The Congress Party has always remained stable. We have always said that if the mandate of the public is fragmented, and if we were never given an opportunity to form government despite having the single largest numbers of MLAs of 21, but we assure the public, come 2023, we will try our best to perform to the best of our capacities. We will try our best to reach out to the public in every nook and corner of this beautiful state. We are aware of the issues that are before us. We are aware of the issues of the ban of coal and its implication on livelihoods of the people of Jaintia Hills, West Khasi Hills particularly. We are aware of the fact that development in the road sector has come to a very dangerous standstill. The Congress, in the previous years of its service to the people of the state, has ensured that every road reaches to the last mile, to the last village, in the furthest corner of the state. We will continue to plan along these lines, and we will continue to assure the people of the state of Meghalaya that the Congress party is harnessing itself to continue its service to the people, irrespective of all of the distractions that we have seen unfold before us in the last 4 years.